I am Oliver, and this is my wife Janice. We are the Shockleys. We're from Ocala, Florida, and we came here broken. I came here in fear of losing my marriage. And my takeaway from this weekend was so important to me because I needed something. I came here for something to help me to gain my marriage back because I was losing it, and I found me here. I found things about me that I didn't even know, and I was able to get in contact with myself. That my wife identified that, and it really made a difference. And I just want to thank Sonny and Danielle, Couples Academy, for making this available to help save our marriage.
My name is Janice, Shockley, as he said, and I came here, at the same, hoping to save my marriage, and this was really my last stop. I was done after this if this didn't work, and I'm here to say that it does work. Everything that her son had us doing that maybe we didn't understand why, but now we see why. And I got what I came for, and there's a purpose for my marriage, and we're gonna fulfill it. And I'm just thankful for Sonny and Danielle because this weekend saved my marriage.